Mint is the world's thinnest yet most powerful anti-loss device and universal remote. Wake up and can't find your phone? Just press Mint. Your phone will ring. Have a tea before going to yoga class and want to enjoy music? Use Mint. You can remote control your music box to play your favorite music. Mint is also useful for your work. Need to give a presentation? Use Mint and you can remote control your slides. Forgot your stuff on the go? Your phone will alert you. Oh right, you forgot your purse at home. From day to night, use Mint. This tiny 1/8 inch tracker can be attached to your belongings, so you'll have full control. Mint is made of stainless steel. It has an interchangeable battery that lasts up to a year, and it's open to third party. Enjoy the date and want to take a picture together? No problem. You can use Mint to remote control your camera for a selfie. Can you imagine never losing your stuff again?
Hey guys, I'm here with Nomad's rugged charging cable, Carabiner. Okay, let's open it up. When you first take it out of the box, you'll notice the solid construction. The Carabiner is reinforced with a stainless steel frame and the weight is really nice. These rugged materials were selected to allow the Carabiner to withstand heavy use during travel. You use the Carabiner by pulling out the plugs like this. Make sure you pull them out correctly and at a slight angle. Carabiner functions just like your standard charging cable. Plug the USB end into any powered USB port and then insert the other end into your phone, and now you're charging. When you're done, stow the plugs back into the body of the Carabiner. Once fit back into place, the cables are protected and ready for your next adventure. Carabiner is designed to always be with you, whether clipped onto your keychain or anywhere where you see fit. It is available with Apple Lightning, micro USB, and GoPro mini USB. That's it for Nomad's rugged charging cable, Carabiner.
Introducing Canary Flex, the wire-free, weatherproof HD camera that takes security to unimaginable places. Beautiful inside or outside. On sunny days or braving the elements. Plugged in or wire-free. In the middle of the night or the middle of a story. Seeing what's up or down. Catching furry little criminals. Or watching your new vase being delivered.
Package delivered.
Working alone or as part of a family. For here, down here, up here, here, or there. Under here, up here, there, or even in here. You know, with the valuables. For a million different things, engineered into one beautifully designed package. Canary Flex, the inside or outside, plugged in or wire-free, weatherproof HD security camera. Canary.
Hi, my name is Natalie and I present to you Chip Store Keeper, a rechargeable Bluetooth alert device that keeps all your valuables risk-free of losing them. The moment your valuable is misplaced, you can locate it with the tap of an app on your iOS or Android device. Along with the latest Bluetooth technology, Keeper also comes with built-in rechargeable battery. You will never have to worry about replacing the battery or keeping a spare. Just plug it into your USB charger. A single charge will keep it active for 6 to 12 months depending on usage. Keeper is a beautifully designed product. It's slick, lightweight, and compact. It comes in many different colors and comes with a magnetic USB charging cable for easy storage. Simply attach Keeper with your keys and always be able to locate them with the tap on your phone app, which activates the buzzer. You could also keep track of your pets by attaching it to your pet's collar. Get the latest GPS location all with the app. With the two-way alert feature, never forget your keys or cell phone again. The moment you forget your keys or cell phone and move a few steps away from it, Keeper buzzer and cell phone app starts to beep, reminding you to grab them. In case you still manage to leave your valuables and then realize it later, our map system can pinpoint the last location. You could attach it to anything, for example, handbags, luggage, or even leave it in your car to pinpoint the location of where you parked. Take photos and video from your phone's camera without even touching it. Just click the button on the Keeper. This is ideal for taking group photos. There are so many uses for it. Keeper has passed such compliance certifications like CE, FCC, and ROHS. Now we need your support to scale up production, get these manufactured in large quantities, justifying a lower cost to supporters, and making the Keeper app more intuitive, simple, and user-friendly. Be sure to keep up with all of the rewards we are offering for supporting us. Thank you so much for watching.
Stop by and check out Polk Audio's Boom Swimmer, the waterproof Bluetooth speaker. It boasts a flexible tail that attaches to nearly anything, plus an interchangeable suction cup mount. Its rechargeable lithium-ion battery allows you to enjoy 8 hours of playback at full volume. With a 30-foot Bluetooth range with smartphones, tablets, and other portable devices, and the ability to stay immersed in a meter of water for 30 minutes, it's hard to deny this product. Visit our online store to check out our impressive selection.